Cheers, Tomo. Yeah, good to see you down at Lake Taupo checking out the old Southern Cross, the Rayglass 4000 that you've done up for us. It's really nice to see you down here. We've been trying to get you down here all summer, Tim, but we haven't got there, so now it's autumn, so it's a bit cooler. Bit of a good westerly breeze as normal on Lake Taupo, so but it's great to see you anyway.
Thanks for having us down, mate. It's been an absolute pleasure dealing with you over the last 7 months. Been a good old project. Good to have you as part of the involvement in the build itself. Hey, we get really excited about big boats like this. I do. At the end of the day, we've created a real cool boat for the family, for the lake, and it just fits in and ticks so many boxes in so many ways. And just the addition of the back seat, the whole lounge area out the back, you know, the function of the boat, the flow of the boat, that's a real win all round, I reckon.
Yeah, no, I totally agree. So how this venture all started off was I came up with a mate to buy a brand new 2350 Rayglass, and I looked at some of the boats in the showroom and I thought, gee, you know, those boats look like they're brand new, but they're 20 years old. And so that's how Timo came into it, and I said, hey, you know, we need to make our 4000 look like that. So ours has been the second one through the shop, I think.
What we sort of initially look at, and we sort of like get an idea on what you guys want to go and do. We could build it this way, we could build it this way, but based on the information and the photos you sent me with the family out on the boat, this ticks so many boxes and making that work for you guys. Pull into a bay, nibbles, drinks, nights out, and what a beautiful spot to have it. It's just magic.
You can tell we've changed the configuration of the old 4000. There was a big barbecue here, which was great in the day, but we found that we had no seating, so that was always a problem. And as you do in Taupo, when you tie it with another 10 boats, everybody seemed to gravitate to the other boats. Now that we've changed this around, you can sort of see that everybody gravitates to this one.
Yeah.
So you can see that we've got this spot on, really. Yeah, so it started from there. We trucked it up to Rayglass in Auckland, and I shot up and down probably 6 or 8 times to catch up with you guys. Really enjoyed my trips, really enjoyed dealing with the guys that you deal with. Tim was wonderful. I really enjoyed the build. We sort of came to an agreement about what we were going to do and what we weren't going to do, and I left them to it, and I really enjoyed the process. I definitely enjoyed it. I was a bit sad, but it actually came back down again, to be fair.
So were we, mate. So were we. Yeah, it was a sad moment the day it went. It was pleasurable knowing that it was going back to you guys to enjoy for summer. The result, the before and after, meeting some neat people and just getting the best out of your boat, it's just a real cool feeling. That's really cool.
The beauty of the 4000, I feel it's a big boat. I reckon it's Rayglass's best boat, to be fair. But changing it all around, it's turned it into like what it could be a brand new boat. And parked in the marina at Taupo, it's a real crowd pleaser. You know, people walk past and look, oh, it's a brand new boat. So that's really good. But I've enjoyed the whole process. We were a bit scared when we came back to put a mark on it, which we were very careful for about the first few hours. Tim, I liked the experience so much that I had to buy another old Rayglass and bring it up to you as well.
Yeah, you did. Yeah, and turn that into another piece of jewellery.
Yeah,
that was another magic project.
So now we've got another 2150 that's all decked out exactly the same, and they look really good together. Everybody sees them done up and they all think, bloody hell, that looks, you know, as I did, they look like they're brand new.
Well, mate, on behalf of myself and the Rayglass team, we'd really love to say thanks for the opportunity to build the project. Thanks for inviting us down to come out and spend some time on the boat. Like, what a magic spot. And hey, look, we thoroughly enjoyed the project right the way through from the very beginning to the end.
Thank you very much, Tim. I think I might go and buy another 4000 and bring it up to you.
Good boy. when you're ready. How good.